Hey guys, what's up? It's Alexandria here. Welcome back to my channel. Can you believe these bomb beautiful nails are press-ons? Stay tuned for the video so I can show you how I applied them. Alright, so in this video, this is going to be my first time ever trying press-on nails. I got that quarantine and chill struggle nails going on. I just had to take off my acrylics and now I'm like, okay, what am I going to do with my nails? So I went to Walgreens and I picked up some press-on nails to give those a try for the first time for you guys. So these are the Kiss Jelly Fantasy nails. I love long nails, so I had to get the long nail length, and I always get my nails coffin shape. So these are white and clear with a mixture of a lot of different designs. So in this video, I really want the nails to last long, so I'm going to be using a file, a cuticle pusher. I'm going to use a nail clipper to kind of trim up my nails again and make sure they're good and a nice base. And then I'm going to be using some acetone to dry up my nails. So the first step I'm going to do is take my cuticle pusher and I'm pushing back the cuticles on all of my nails to be ready for the press-ons. So the next step, I'm just going to take this nail file and I'm going to file down my nails gently just to give it a rough base. This will help the glue stick better on the press-ons. So, you know, like when you get your acrylic nails, they always drill them down first to give you a nice base for the acrylic to stick. So it's the same principle, and I know we're all missing the nail salon right now while we're stuck in our homes working from home, but we'll make it work. Great, so next I'm just going to open the package. These Jelly Fantasy nails come with glue, and they also come with 28 nails. There's 12 nails that have a design, and the remaining nails are all white. In the package, they actually have a nail file and a cuticle pusher, as well as the stickies that you can use to apply your nails. I don't really know why you'd want to use those stickies because I mean, it's not going to last, but I guess if you just wanted something really quick, maybe for like a photo shoot, you could use those. I didn't know these were already in the pack, so I had already prepped my nails before I went ahead and opened it. So here I'm just measuring out the nails, trying to find the right fit for all of my nails. I also file off that little plastic piece that comes on all of the nails. I think that's how when they make them, they come up on this long plastic ring and then they peel them off. So I went ahead and filed all the nails off as I was measuring them so that I wouldn't have to do it at the end. And here's an up close look at that little plastic piece that I'm filing off of all of the nails so that you could see that up close. So once I saw there was a nail file in the package, I just couldn't even help myself and I had to file my nails again. And then once I did that, I went and took some acetone and dipped that on all of my nails just to help dry out the nails and get rid of the natural oils that are on your nails. That helps the glue stick better and will allow the nail to last longer. After all that prep, finally, here's the fun part. So to apply the glue, I just apply it directly to my nail bed. I do like one small dot and then I just spread it out to the rest of the nail, and then you just press the nail on. You kind of slide it down into your cuticle, and then I held it there for about 10 seconds. The package says you only have to hold it there for about 5 seconds, but I wanted to make sure that it was nice and secure before moving on. I also started applying glue to the back of the nail as well after, I read the instructions after I'd already started. So I started doing that along the way. And then, so for the rest of this video, I'm just going to speed through the rest of me applying the nails and then show you guys the final look. I am obsessed with the way this came out. I have had them on now for about 3 days, so far so good. No major issues. On the package it says it should last up to a week, so maybe I'll give an update on my Instagram and show you guys how long they've been lasting and how well they did. So all in all, this process took me about 25 to 30 minutes, which you compare that to how long it takes to get your nails done in a nail salon. I feel like these results are really comparable to a salon finish, so I was really happy with the finished look. Also, did I mention that these nails literally only cost $9? Like $9, sis. A regular acrylic set that looks like this would be at least 60 bucks. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. These nails look so good. They have like the perfect salon finish. I'm really happy with the way these turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And if you want me to try out some other press-on sets, let me know down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!